Good afternoon, family, and welcome back to the channel once again. I hope all of you are doing absolutely safe and fine during this lockdown. So the purpose of this video today is to go ahead and give you an understanding of how the hill launch assist feature works on the Ford Freestyle. Alright, like I mentioned in my previous vlog as well, that is one of the safety features on the Ford Freestyle. The second reason why I'm shooting this video is because I want to let you know about the accessories that I got complimentary when I was buying the Ford Freestyle, the deal that I cracked with the dealership. So I'll go ahead and give you guys an understanding of both. And the third reason is I also wanted to introduce another feature or a safety feature in the Ford Freestyle, which is called the indicator feature. So without wasting any of your time, let's go ahead right into this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright guys, so I'm going ahead and giving you a demonstration of how the hill launch assist works. So now if you can clearly see, I'm on an incline. Alright, now you can see I'm in neutral, my handbrake is on as well, and you can see the clutch, the brake and the accelerator. Simple stuff. Press the clutch, handbrake goes down. Alright, I slot my gear into the first gear. You can see my leg is pressed on the clutch and my leg is on the brake. Here we go. I'm removing my leg from the brake. Okay. And you'll see the car in standstill position. You can see it's on the first gear. Handbrake is down as well. Here's my leg on the brake. I remove it. Yeah, the car's not moving. Now the car's rolling back. Alright. So now again I'll do that and show you guys. My leg is back on the brake. Alright, I remove it. Yeah, the car standing and now it's rolling back. Again, now if I remove my leg, okay, like this, and now I'll accelerate, the car goes ahead in front. So that was the hill launch assist feature for you guys. I hope I was able to show it to you as clear as possible. Alright, so let's move into the next feature of the car. Okay guys, I'm showing you the next feature of the car. Alright, I told you it's called the indicator feature. Now what usually happens is when we are driving on the highway, okay, or we are doing spirited driving, when we want to change lanes, what do? Alright, we either hit the indicator down completely like this, or we hit it up depending on which direction we want to go to, and then after that we have to bring it in the center. Unlike when we put the indicator down and take a full turn and then the indicator comes back into the center. Alright, so now what I'm going to show you is, this is a safety feature. Alright, it's a very nice feature. If you guys are driving on the highway, or you guys are doing city driving and just want to make lane changes or small changes, just feather touch the indicator. See, I'm not going to push it fully down. I'll just feather touch it. It'll give you 3 blinks. Look at this. And it stops. Same way, if you want to take left, feather touch it on top, and it stops. So this feature actually I had seen in the German cars, that is Volkswagen and Skoda, post which now I'm seeing it on the Ford Freestyle. I'm not sure if any other car has this feature, but this is a very nice and a very handy feature. Alright guys, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to give you guys a walk around and show you the accessories that I have right now with me. Okay, starting with the first one is the window or the rain visor. Costed me 1750 rupees. Didn't cost me, rather I got it. The price is 1750 rupees. Alright, I'll show that to you. So this is the one. Okay, you can see it. This is the window visor. The second one is the pillow. Alright, I've got 2 sets of pillows. Okay, and each pillow costs 415 rupees. You can see this. Here's the pillow. There's the next pillow. Alright, the next one is the neck rest. I'll show you guys the neck rest as well. There's it. There we go. This is the neck rest. Both the neck rest, driver, core, passenger, and the price for the neck rest is 420 for 2 pieces. Alright, now I also got the car cover as well, but I don't have it right now. It's on top in my house. That was approximately for 1392 rupees. Alright, now do keep in mind all these prices. Showroom Delhi and this does not include GST and fitment charges. Of course, the car cover doesn't have fitment charges, but this is what right now the price shows on the website as well. Now the fifth and the most important accessory that I got are these ambient lightings. All right, I'll just show it to you guys. The ambient lights, it shows on the website as 2,900 bucks, but I clearly remember them telling me it's approximately 5,000 or so. You can look at it. Yeah, these lights, see, they are beautiful. They come with approximately around 5 colors. You get an app as well for it where you can change the colors. All right, it's absolutely beautiful. It's on all 4 doors. So whenever I open this door and whenever I close the doors, you get this light as well. All right guys, that was for the video for the day. All right, now what I've done is I've gone ahead and put all the accessories that I personally use, which I bought with my own money. All right, and whatever I have, basically my camera, my shades that I'm wearing right now, the music system that I have, the car holder that I use, and everything in the description box below. Go ahead and you can get them, you can order them. I've used them extensively, and I can strongly assure that these products are really good. This is not a sponsored video. I have bought all of these products with my own money, and I'm sharing it with you guys so that you guys also can go and get it and probably enjoy these products. So, and I've also left a link to my Instagram handle below in the description, so you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well to catch all the fun and to get all the updates every single day. So this was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care, stay safe, and bye bye.